guys.
What in the world? Hey.
What are you guys doing?
What are you, Michael? What are you doing? What are
Do you know this guy?
Yes, I know him.
Unfortunately.
Oh,
Come on.
No,
what's up, man? How you doing? Okay.
We're just having a quiet night in town.
I know. Hey, because I'm everywhere is what I do. How you doing?
Doing good.
I grew up watching you.
Oh, thank you.
Do you get sick of people coming up to you, mentioning like Saved by the Bell
It's
stuff?
like a standing ovation.
Okay,
Like,
right.
Thank you. They love the show. It's always not most 99% of the time it's nice.
Well, yeah. What do
And then I
people
hang
say
out with
bad
him.
about
I
it?
can't go anywhere without him.
How
You
could
know.
it not be
Well,
nice
I mean,
until you come and hang out with me? That's all the trouble.
Tommy comes in from Dallas to like, and we end up.
Texas. I mean, okay, so because I've met celebrities before who like hate what
Really?
they're.
Real celebrities?
Real celebrities?
Oh my gosh. Real celebrities?
part
Wait
of
a
my
minute, Tommy, he's met real celebrities before. Let's go meet them.
Let's go to the reason. No, you guys are
Oh,
real
my
celebrities. I'm sorry, but so okay. No, seriously though, I have met celebrities
I'm sorry,
that
that's my laugh.
grew up. Now you got me laughing.
That's my-
That was on the show back in the day or whatever. Then when you say, "Oh, I grew up with you," and then they're like, "Oh, I don't want to talk about that."
Well, that's about them. That's not about us.
It's not like that.
We love what we do.
Okay, all right. Now, I recently I was looking online, you're playing Santa Claus in the movie, right?
I did a movie. That's 75 pounds ago.
So,
Oh,
whoa.
that's literally 75 pounds ago. Yeah, I did a movie that's called Up on the Wooftop.
Woof. Is woof like W-O-O-F?
Woof, what? Woof. I'm not doing my Hillary impression. I'm not doing it.
And so you got to play Santa Claus.
I did. It was actually really cool. I'm going to show you.
You're going to show me? Okay.
Okay, wait.
Can I see it?
Come in on this. That's me 9 months ago.
No, well, wow. What did you, okay, so
I
what
had
did you,
surgery.
Subway diet? Oh.
No. My doctor suggested I go to the surgeon and got it because I gained 5 pounds a year for 20 years and 100 pounds, and I didn't know if I had 20 years to lose it. So I got help.
So, okay, so
Dr.
you did
Corbin.
it. Dr. Corbin.
Gave me a start, and I changed everything I ate and how I ate it.
But it's,
Go ahead, one more, right?
but I mean, okay.
Howdy, did you know they were here?
We're always out.
You guys are
This is what we
friends. We're
do.
friends.
Well, yeah. You told me.
Exactly. You called us and you know it. Hey, I got a question for you, man. Okay, this is both of you guys can answer this. But so I was just kind of like, I like
You a
to.
celebrity?
No, I'm not a celebrity. I'm not a
cheater.
celebrity.
He's a cheater.
Cheater.
Well, I busted him on episode.
Oh, you did not.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
I wish I had somebody to date that cheat on me.
Well, come on.
I don't
He's
want
got more girls hanging
Shut
out.
I bet. I mean,
Ask your question.
you're the most famous principal in the world.
Hey.
No, both of
And
you
now
guys
he's
did.
down about 100.
Exactly. You look good. Let me go ahead and
Oh,
pan to get a whole body
bad.
shot.
The chicks will dig Belden.
I think yes,
Yeah.
chicks.
Oh,
big-
Belding.
Mr.
Ask the
Belding.
question.
Mr. Belden. Well, it's
Why my questions are boring?
He was
We're
asking
talking to
you
this guy is
okay. I was
They're not
asking
gonna
Tommy,
use any
but
of
American
you don't know
flavor.
that.
They're not going to go
We don't know that.
Arby's.
Listen, okay. So, and both of you can answer this, but so I just read recently in the state of Virginia,
I saw that.
okay, 12-year-olds were allowed to get
12 and
married.
13.
12
if
and
it was
13.
family and if they were
Seriously.
pregnant.
Right.
I thought, oh my God, they're just changing this law.
That's not
Right, they're
the
just-
same thing.
Okay.
What my question was were,
Just kidding.
are the parents perverts to allow their 12 or 13-year-old daughter to get married?
This was the law.
I'm glad you knew
But
about
just
this.
because I saw it just
Yeah,
like everybody else.
Just
yeah.
because it's a law
Wait.
doesn't make it right.
No, wait.
Let's be
Just
honest.
because it was a law doesn't mean parents were doing it. It just was the law and it hadn't been changed.
I'm sure
No,
it
I'm
happened.
serious.
Right? Okay.
So I hope that's the case.
Okay, so you don't think nobody in Virginia was actually like going for this?
I don't know.
Because that's what I was gonna ask, like what you thought.
I
If
don't know.
Well,
Say I
is that the
don't.
same?
is that the safe
I
bet?
don't.
Don't be safe.
No.
Don't be safe.
I don't know. There's a couple teachers that I saw on the news that did after they went there.
Okay, another quick. One more before I let you go. One more teacher
Honestly,
question.
that's a serious subject.
No,
It is. It is.
Serious.
And I wanted you guys' honest opinion about it.
I think it's if it ever happened, it's horrible to the
Right.
to the kids, and thank God they changed it.
Okay.
Better late
Yeah,
than
no,
never,
it's true.
right?
Why do you think so many female teachers are getting caught having sex with their students?
Oh look,
I'm asking you the hardcore stuff, man.
No.
I
Did you
mean,
ever hear of a principal getting
Why would I? Why would?
no. Why do you think you're not a woman? I'm asking. Why do you think so many?
It's not about being a teacher.
Okay.
It's about whoever they are and however they act, and they do the wrong things and they pay the price for it. Thank God.
No, listen,
Keep going, keep rolling.
There are people.
Where you going? Okay. What's up?
Oh,
Because this is our friend, and we always run into him. And it just turns out we were across the street. Tommy goes, there's not enough going on here. Mr. Cheater wants to come out and see something.
Oh, thanks.
Look at this.
Easy.
You're not
There's the
Mr.
heroes. There's the heroes right there. So guys,
That is the true heroes. Well, okay, but I was really trying to get a serious soundbite, you know.
Yeah, no, here's the fact.
Yeah.
You can't, just because that some teachers did something stupid.
Right.
it's more. It's
And
worse
they're
than stupid.
sick.
It's immoral.
It's immoral and sick.
right.
There's no question. It's sick.
Yeah.
What are you going to lump them all together? You
No.
can't do that. And you can't do that with anybody.
Where
I mean,
will we be?
You're a
without
nice
teachers?
guy.
Where will we?
I am.
But there's a
Well,
lot of guys that
right.
with cameras around that aren't nice.
That's true. That's true. Okay.
Everything you used in college today.
Oh, all the
Everything
time.
I learned in college, I don't remember any of it.
Have-
Other than how to
The
party.
question
and
off
drink and
camera
like-
is from the peanut gallery. Have you used anything in real life that you learned in college? And as a matter of fact, a lot of stuff from outside the classroom, from being the entertainment chairman of the school, being in the music business,
Yeah.
and taking chances, having people give you opportunities to try things you would never try anywhere else. A lot of stuff, you know. University of Tennessee Chattanooga, I just graduated, buddy.
But mostly how to bang chicks, right? That's what you really learned.
Oh, now how
No?
did that even come in play? He's serious.
Well,
He's
learning from
trying-
college.
He's like
Go ahead, Tommy,
talking
you
great
handle that
stuff.
Mr. Belding bangs chicks?
Oh, that's rude.
Okay, sorry. I take that back. I'm
That's
sorry.
rude.
That's not true. That never happened. I take it back. Anyways, okay, guys.
That's
On that
rude.
note, now he made me feel bad. So,
You should be
okay,
ashamed of
I
yourself.
am.
Go there.
Well, sorry. I don't know why I went
People love
there.
the character, and I try to represent the character the best I can. Who I am,
It is.
whatever whoever you are is not the character, but you still because
Exactly.
people care, you represent.
He was a
them.
wholesome,
So
God-fearing
I'm not
person.
going
I should
to
have said that. Yeah.
accept that going over the line with it. Sorry.
I apologize about
Thank you
that.
for the
I'm a huge fan
Thank you.
of both of you guys.
No.
You just
listen.
want a reaction. I know you.
I tried to get a reaction, but
Well, you got one.
I
didn't
did. But now I feel bad about it. Okay.
No,
All right.
listen, we can have fun and we can talk about some fun
Yeah.
things, but
In
serious notes
We're
about the
basic right
kids
and wrong
is
guy.
bad.
Oh yeah.
And if you went to Comic-Con, would you dress up as Mr. Belding?
No,
No?
no, because I see the space. Where
looks
am I
great.
going? No, but where am I going? It looks like I played Mr. Belding, so it's going to be however I dress. They're going to think it's Mr. Belding.
That's true. So you don't
See his
really.
face?
I thought maybe the suit and
It's not
tie.
that screech.
That's not Screech. So he does
Really?
not have a
Dennis,
knife in his
you had
pocket.
to do that to me? I thought he was my friend.
All right. If you were Screech, you'd be stabbing somebody right now.
Yeah, well, not
have
my
a
problem.
have a good one, man.
All right.
All right. Thanks.